Welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 7630 Forrestal Rd, which is a remodeled 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split-level house built in 1970 with 2,476 square feet on a quiet cul-de-sac street here in the San Carlos neighborhood of San Diego 92120. This house is in the Gaylord Elementary School boundaries, which educates K through 5th grades and is less than a half a mile away. Gaylord Elementary feeds into Pershing Middle School for 6th through 8th grades, which is about 1.5 miles from the house, and Patrick Henry High School, which serves 9th through 12th grades and is about a half mile away. My name's Jesse Morrison, and I'm going to be walking you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before getting started, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description section below where you can book a call directly on my calendar. That way, if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can go ahead and talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. All right, now let's get into it. All right, so let's take a look at the front of the house. Notice the grass is a little bit overgrown, but I want to get you out here to take a look at it before the landscaper came. That way you can see it before it sells, because it's going to sell pretty fast. It's a nice home in a nice neighborhood at a very nice price. But look at the street that it's on. It's got this private cul-de-sac, and notice the 3-car garages on some of these homes. Really keeps cars off the streets, keeps it private, quiet, safe where kids can play. I like the little walkway here. If you're parking on the street, you can walk this direction, take you to your front door. Notice the big, large entry here and how wide it is. It makes it feel super grand. Look at up here. You got super tall ceilings, covered space, and as you walk in, those tall ceilings continue, right? You got these vaulted, beamed ceilings, and you got a split level floor plan. You got living space down there, which I'll show you a little bit later, and then the big living space here on the main floor. You got the dining. Look at the lights. And look at all the natural light that comes in through the windows, right? I do have and the lighter floors. I do have these recessed lighting on throughout the house, but I want you to notice as we're walking through how much light comes in through those windows. Natural light, I should say. So you got a couple bedrooms up there. You got another bedroom downstairs, which I'll take you through here in a little bit. But before we get there, I just wanted to show you the kitchen. Those tall ceilings continue here. There's lots of cabinet space. You got a gas burning 5-burner stove. You got the built-in microwave above that. All these stainless steel appliances are newer. The refrigerator is brand new, has never been used. You have the dishwasher over here next to the sink. The cabinets have little built-ins in there. They're not brand new cabinets, but they have a lot of those new cabinet features, including the soft closing mechanisms and, like I said, some of the built-ins, and lots of space. So here is one dining room. There's another dining area down there, which I'll show you right now. So let's go ahead and go down there. But before I do, just notice this little space here. You have like a wood burning fireplace here. You could put some built-in shelves there and turn this into like a nice little, library sitting area. It'd be really kind of cool. But you have a bedroom over here. That's your garage, which we'll get to a little bit later, in your laundry. But up there is your one living space, and you got down here, you have all this that could be turned into so much. It could be a game room, it could be what it's staged as right now, a big living area. This is, see the way the floor or the ceiling is right here. This wall was the exterior wall at one time, but I believe this is a enclosed patio. But notice these floors too, a nice luxury vinyl, waterproof vinyl here, and the taller baseboards. All right, so this bedroom services downstairs, and it has its own private bathroom, which is really nice, because it has, I mean, it's a full bathroom, right? It has its own walk-in shower, and this bathroom would service, you know, this bedroom as well as like the main living space out there that we just came from. But look at how much natural light comes into this room as well. This is the side yard. So if you notice, there's no windows really staring in at you, so it's nice and private with those hedges there as well. There's your dining area. So again, that's your garage space, which we'll get to after the bedrooms. I just wanted to show you upstairs what the bedrooms look like up here first, before we make our way down there. All right, so as we get to the landing up here, you'll notice that there's two bedrooms here, the bathroom that services them, and then the master straight ahead. So let's check out the master first. So you can see how wide it is. This is like a Cal King bed, and these little nightstands are actually quite wide. And as we look at over the backyard, that's over that living space. You can kind of see why I thought it was an addition at one point. So you get the walk-in master closet and the bathroom there. So here's the closet. See how much space and how much clothing you could put in there. And then the bathroom here has the dual vanity and stand-up shower area. Let's see here. Again, look at how much natural light floods in as we make our way over this direction to these two bedrooms. That's Cowles Mountain that you're overlooking. And then look at how large this deck is. You have a walk-in closet for this bedroom, lots of space in there. But let's go out here real quick. So I want you to notice just how peaceful the street is, how clean, how much color, how quiet it is, that there's no power lines. We're standing right above the garage, just in case you wanted to know that. But just a nice feel out here. And this deck services both of these bedrooms. I'll go ahead and show you what that other bedroom looks like here now. Let's make our way over there. All right, it's basically the same thing. Make sure that's where it just came from, right? Notice the crown molding up here and the recessed lighting. This closet isn't a walk-in, it's got like a sliding closet doors here. And here's the bathroom that services those two bedrooms. You have a tub, which is nice in case you got the kids. And you have travertine on the walls, like a travertine stone tile. And then those travertine tiles extend on the floor as well. All right, so let's go ahead and make our way back downstairs. I'll go ahead and show you the garage space. So as we make our way towards where the garage is, you can see that's where your laundry would go. And then you got your water heater right there. And in this closet is the newer HVAC system for your central heat and air. This is just like a coat closet that you would use as you're making your way through the garage after you come home. But let's look out in the garage. So out here is, you got lots of, storage cabinets here and some more on this side. And then, you have bike racks up there, and then that mirror would be a good, I don't know, if you wanted to have like a gym or something in your garage, would be kind of nice. But this is what you would see as you're parking and walking into your new home, right? You'd immediately be greeted by this big open space. Well, let's make our way to the backyard. Okay, so you can get out there a couple different ways, but let's go out this way, because this will be probably the most common way that you made your way out to the backyard. Right out here, you got this large deck, but you could have come in from that living space down there, through that sliding glass door. But look, you got a nice covered deck here, a raised deck, and then they, sunk in this spa and built it in here. Makes it kind of a cool feature here. But this deck is made out of that Rubbermaid or like plastic, so it's gonna last forever. You're not gonna have those termites on these floors. And notice the landscaping, you got this hardscape throughout the backyard, which some people love, some people don't, but it's easy to keep clean. And honestly, kids love playing on a hardscape. It's easy to ride bikes on, scooters, and it's easy to keep clean, right? You can do just about everything you would normally. That's that addition right there. Let's see here. Notice all the storage here because of the raised deck. On this side, I just want to show you, on this side is how you would access like the spa area in case they needed to maintain that. But there's a lot of space down there for storage. And then that hardscape continues along the side of the house to keep water away from the house. I want to show you that shed over here in the corner. It's a pretty large shed if you needed extra space to store stuff. It's super, heavy duty. It can be cleaned up a little bit, but for the purposes of storing things, look at how much space is in here, right? So a great little spot for that. And then over here along this side of the house, again, is just more hardscape. It's just a really nicely done house. All right, thank you so much for touring 7630 Forrestal Road with me. If anyone you care about could, benefit from this information, go ahead and share this video using that share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, go ahead and use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar. That way we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I recommend that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.